Hi viewers, welcome back to High on TV. Sebuah program mengangkat gaya hidup dan inspirasi bagi Anda. Saya Monica Kizia saat ini berada di Crystal Hotel Jakarta dan Anda akan menikmati informasi hangat untuk Anda. Don't go anywhere. Hi viewers, informasi pertama kami menghadirkan acara An Elegant Afternoon Tea yang diselenggarakan oleh Keraton at the Plaza. Seperti apa keseruan acaranya? Let's check this out.
Viewers, pada kesempatan kali ini, host Celebrity TV, Marcus Henry berkesempatan menghadiri Afternoon Tea Keraton of the Plaza, unveiling the debut of the Unbound Collection by Hyatt.
Halo viewers, sekarang saya sedang berada di acaranya Grand Opening Keraton at the Plaza. Jadi tadi kita sudah melihat tarian penyambutan, jadi sekarang saya sudah berada di lantai 7. Ini di dining area-nya dan di dalam sudah banyak rekan-rekan media yang menikmati jamuan afternoon tea. Kita lanjut lagi ya. Halo, sore Mas.
Sore, kita dari Tanah Merah. Kita juga kolaborasi sama Keraton.
Ya.
Di hari ini kita ada koleksi, ada emas, koleksi sesuai karakteristik dari kakak yang pengen ngomongin apa.
Saya minta yang Toraja deh.
Toraja, nilai price kasar atau halus? Atau
Halus.
Halus.
Tapi nanti masih bisa untuk langsung. Enak banget viewers. Ini kopi Arabica, saya pesannya yang latte. Jadi ada susunya di atasnya dan ini ditemani oleh makanan-makanan kecil khas Indonesia. Ada keripik tempe, ada kue kering piting gajah, dan ada kacang pistachio. Mantap.
Terinspirasi dari kerajaan di Indonesia, para tamu dapat menikmatinya dengan tenang, klasik, namun tetap mendapat kemewahan rasa.
Selamat sore Mbak Yudit, apa kabar?
Selamat sore Mas Markus.
Mungkin viewers di rumah ini perlu tahu dulu nih Mbak Yudit sekarang ada di mana nih?
Oke, saya sekarang berada di Keraton at the Plaza, part of the Unbound Collections by Hyatt.
Nah itu di hari ini kita ada kumpul-kumpul, katanya tadi kalau nggak salah grand opening ya Keraton at the Plaza. Eventnya apa aja nih hari ini?
Acaranya hari ini adalah kita memperkenalkan tentang hotel, adanya hotel tour dari mulai kamar, public spaces, our intimate club access gitu ya, dan juga memperkenalkan our traditional afternoon tea. Tadi sudah dong, enak kan?
Oke, nah kalau misalnya ada kejutan-kejutan apa nih yang bisa dikasih dari Keraton at the Plaza?
Oh, kejutan yang paling utama adalah, I think this is the only one, sebuah hotel yang bisa memberikan all inclusion sebuah tamunya. Jadi semuanya adalah inklusif dari breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Halo, good afternoon Mr. Parvin.
Good afternoon.
Thank you so much for having us here at the grand opening of the Keraton at the Plaza, part of the Unbound Collection by Hyatt.
Indeed, pleasure is all ours.
Okay.
Thank you
So,
for joining.
we know the Keraton at the Plaza is one of the best luxury hotel here in the Jakarta. And now is the grand opening for the new Keraton at the Plaza. So, would you share to the audience what is the difference now, the new Keraton at the Plaza?
Indeed, and thank you for giving us the chance to share our version of the story. Generally, when we think about hotels, it's always about people, location, and product. So in terms of people, we're very proud to bring the authentic Indonesian hospitality to this concept here. In terms of location, this is a very iconic, very popular location, so we're proud to have another hotel alongside Grand Hyatt here. Now it comes to product. So as a product, it's significantly different from a lot of other hotels in town. So to name a few differences, first one is that it's an full board concept, which means that guests who are booking a room here, they get to enjoy the breakfast, lunch, afternoon tea, cocktails, and dinner in this club where we stand right now.
Okay, from the lobby, I see many difference from the old Keraton at the Plaza, like the lounge and then now the dining area. So it is changed so much, or you still have the same Keraton as before?
Very good question, actually. So parts of the hotel have changed completely. As an example, level 7 where we stand right now, this is 100% new. What you see here is all built from scratch. When you look at the lobby, there are elements of the lobby that have changed, but we've retained what was already a very popular, iconic design and location. We've added a new Hariprana gallery, so you can enjoy the art and culture and the local merchandise that guests can appreciate and take home with them. So that's also a new element in the lobby.
Okay, thank you so much.
Pleasure is all ours, and
Okay.
thank you for being with us
Thank
today.
you.
Tak hanya sajian kopi dengan otentiknya, kenikmatan teh khas keraton juga memiliki cita rasa Nusantara.
Nah, viewers, kalau tadi sebelah sana ada kopi, di sini ada Keraton Sparkling Tea. Jadi perpaduan antara teh pilihan yang ada di keraton dicampur dengan berbagai rempah-rempah yang ada di Indonesia. Jadi ada 4 jenis Sparkling Tea, ada Purple Haze, Ground Mango, ada The Pink Empress, dan juga ada Flowery Apple. Jadi perpaduan antara rempah, buah, dan bunga-bungaan dari Indonesia. Kalau mas, saya mau pilih yang kayaknya ini nih, yang Ground Mango, karena perpaduannya antara tawang mango ginger, lemon, sama honey, menyegarkan. Boleh mas? Silakan Bapak. Untuk imunitas dan kesegaran tubuh. Cheers.
Good afternoon, Mrs. Morgan. How are you?
Good, thank you. How are you today?
It's great.
Good.
Thank you so much for having us here at the grand opening of Keraton Atia Plaza. We've been talking to Mr. Parvin about generally the difference between the old Keraton and the new one. So now I want to ask about more specifically about the outlets and the rooms. Would you like to share to the audience so they know what's the new of Keraton?
Of course. So we have the lounge, which is in our lobby level. The lounge is serving afternoon tea as well as coffee, tea, pastries. And then we also have the club, which is the space that we're in now. So the club is all inclusive for the guests that have breakfast, lunch and dinner included, but it's also an outlet where guests can come just for lunch or for dinner and enjoy the food here. We also have a gym on site as well, and all of our guests have access to Club Olympus. So Club Olympus has a gym with new techno gym equipment there. It also has a large swimming pool there and all of the facilities at Grand Hyatt Jakarta. So all of our guests can also dine at Grand Hyatt Jakarta, and they can charge that back to their room here at Keraton as well. So they have a lot of outlets to choose from.
So can you share to the viewers, why do they have to stay at the Keraton Atia Plaza?
Yes. The personalized experience is really wonderful, and the all-inclusive experience. And all of the facilities are nearby. We have the amazing Plaza Indonesia shopping mall, so you really don't have to go anywhere else. But I think the thing that makes this hotel really special is the service and the experiences that guests can have here. So we have a daily experience that a guest can have every day, whether it's a Javanese dancing ritual or a coffee masterclass or a Tama tea making workshop. So we have a lot of great experiences for guests to have here.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Morgan.
Thank you.
Kudapan Nusantara hingga makanan internasional tersedia dalam pelayanan Keraton at the Plaza.
Nah, viewers, saatnya saya menikmati cemilan-cemilan tadi yang saya sudah ambil ya. Enak nih udang. Di sini emang sesuai dengan namanya ya, Keraton at the Plaza. Jadi mengedepankan flavor-flavor khas Indonesia yang kadang kita bikin kangen kampung halaman, yang kita bikin ngeluarin memori-memori kalau kita lagi jalan-jalan ke daerah-daerah Indonesia. Dan ini karena Indonesia terkenal dengan negara tropis dan juga banyak sekali memproduksi buah-buahan lokal. Di sini kita ada mangga, melon, dan juga strawberry. Cobain mangganya nih, aroma manis. Ini kayaknya belum musimnya ya mangga ya, tapi di sini dapat kualitas yang bagus banget. Manis, seger. Sekarang giliran jajanan pasar tuh. Mungkin viewers di rumah yang suka jalan-jalan ke pasar, kalau pagi-pagi mau jajan-jajanan kerja-kerja seperti ini, pasti sudah nggak asing lagi. Dan di sini di Keraton Ete Plaza bisa menikmatinya dengan view yang eksklusif. Nah, habis menikmati makanan-makanan ini, saya mau bersantai-santai sejenak karena setelah ini kita akan hotel tour. Tetap di sini ya.
Tak lengkap jika Markus tidak mengelilingi kamar eksklusif yang disediakan, ornamen, nuansa batik, dan segala fasilitas di dalamnya yang ditawarkan. Enjoy!
Viewers, terima kasih sudah mengikuti saya di acara Media Lounge Keraton Ete Plaza. Sampai ketemu lagi di event berikutnya. Saya Markus Henry, pamit dulu. Bye-bye.